Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today is Thursday, therefore it is another tutorial. It is going to be on speed ramp transitions. I have two clips that I've shot earlier today and we will jump into Premiere and show you exactly how to get those smooth transitions to up your game on your B-roll or your short film making in general. Alright guys, so we are into Premiere now. You will see that I have the clips already laid out with the effect on it. If you are starting out, however, your timeline will more than likely just be this here. If it is that and you want to start editing the speed, the opacity of your videos, you just need to go over to the edge of your timeline, and when you get this arrow with the sort of two arrows, one up and one down, you just click and drag up, and once you've dragged up you will see that you get a keyframe node. Now, to enable speed remapping or time remapping as it's stated in this, you right click on the FX symbol, go down from motion, opacity to time remapping, select speed. Once you've done that, you'll be able to scroll through your timeline, hit your keyframe, and then you can drag up and down to adjust the speed accordingly. Now, there is always times where you will need to warp stabilize your footage prior to applying this technique. You cannot apply time remapping and warp stabilizing on the same clip unless you do as what I've done, which is nest the sequence prior. This is the main tips that I would say. If you're editing to music, try and hit the main beats kind of like you see here and here, and that will give you a lot more punchy transitions. Alright, so that's the end of Tutorial Thursdays today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, hopefully you found it useful. If you have, a like rating would be appreciated. If you have any questions or you have any comments in general, leave them down below. And if you want to see more content from me, the likes of the short films on a Monday and these tutorials on a Thursday at 5:30 PM, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, peace.